चाहे आप किसी भी बोर्ड में हो, सीबीएसई, आईसीएसई, स्टेट बोर्ड्स, चाहे आप किसी भी क्लास में हो, क्लास 1 to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, किसी भी क्लास में हो, और आपको रिडक्शन ऑफ सिलेबस, रीओपनिंग ऑफ स्कूल्स और आपके एग्जामिनेशन के बारे में डाउट है, तो आप सही जगह पर आए हो। सो इस वीडियो में आपको सारी बातें क्लियर हो जाएगी और आप इस वीडियो के बाद आपको दूसरी वीडियो नहीं देखने पड़ेगी इस टॉपिक पर। सो हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज अमित and welcome to our channel Study with Amit. So in today's video we are going to talk about an very important thing which are questions of you all. Questions of you all. Today I will take questions of you all, what you all have asked in to me in comment section, and I will reply to it. One-to-one conversation will be there. It can be your question also. So be with us till end, and at last I have here a bumper offer or a surprise for you all. So be with us till end to know all the things and get the surprise what I will provide to you. So let's start with our video. Here I have questions of you all, and it is written that 10th की सिलेबस रिड्यूस हुई, 10th और 12th की सिलेबस रिड्यूस हुई, तो क्या क्लास 9th और 11th की सिलेबस भी रिड्यूस होगी? सो इन दिस केस आई विल से दैट यस, आपके सिलेबस रिड्यूस हो जाएंगे। यदि आप क्लास 10th और 12th में हो, यदि उनके सिलेबस रिड्यूस होते हैं, द स्टूडेंट्स दोज हु आर इन क्लास 10th and 12th, सो for their juniors, means those who are in class 9th and 11th, for them the present students of class 9th and 11th, they will get benefit and their syllabus will also be reduced. So this is very important thing. और ये questions जो आप पूछ रहे हो, ये I think that it is somewhere or the other helpful to students, और ये कहीं ना कहीं आपको help करेगी. And many students have asked me, that's why I am clarifying these things, these questions in a video. So our next question is, schools कब reopen होंगे? Now for this I can't say anything, क्योंकि schools कभी भी reopen हो सकते हैं. We have seen that few states have declared that we will reopen schools. हम schools reopen करेंगे, we will reopen schools, education institutions, temples and mosque, and will open the cinema halls. These all things are said. ये स्टेट गवर्नमेंट द्वारा कही गई है, कुछ स्टेट्स गवर्नमेंट द्वारा. तो अब इससे क्या स्कूल्स रीओपन हो जाएंगे? तो ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. ऐसे स्कूल्स रीओपन नहीं हो सकते हैं. स्कूल्स विल रीओपन विथ सम सर्टेन टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस विल बी देयर. और अभी मींस at once you can't say that schools will reopen. Or third wave is also there. Seeing all these things, keeping all the things in mind, government cannot reopen schools now. So this point is very much clear. I have said that अभी तो schools reopen नहीं होंगे, लेकिन ये कब तक चलेगी it is not clear. जब तक कि कोविड की सिचुएशन ठीक नहीं होती है, till then it will go. और जब तक कि वैक्सीनेशन नहीं प्रोवाइड कराई जाती है स्टूडेंट्स को, क्योंकि यहां पर स्टूडेंट्स विल बी द वायरस कैरियर्स. फॉर कीपिंग देम सेफ, दिस policy will be applied that schools will not be reopened. Now this point is very much clear. After this I have that pattern for examination for class 9th and 11th. So pattern for class 9th and 11th, what will be the pattern? So for that I will say that pattern will change, as you have seen that the examination for class 12th, 10th and 12th, for CBSE students it is there that जो भी मीन्स आपके 10th और 12th के जो सिलेबस है, अकॉर्डिंग टू इट यू विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम क्लास 9th एंड फ्रॉम क्लास 11th. सो दीज 2 points are very important, that you will be prepared for your 90 marks, what we say MCQ, and your theoretical paper, which is a different thing. Means these 2 papers will be there. Pattern for class 9th and 11th students will change. It will be because they will have to face their class 10th and 12th next year. So they will have to prepare from now, from class 9th and from class 11th. So that's why the pattern will be changed from by the schools, and these all things will be there. हम देखेंगे ये सारी changes होंगी, और क्लास 9th और 11th के जो क्वेश्चन पेपर होंगे उनमें भी हमें बहुत चेंजेस दिखाई पड़ेंगे, नजर आएंगे. So this is there. Hope this point is very clear. After this we have 2021 में schools reopen होंगे for any class, means किसी भी क्लास के लिए 2021 में schools reopen होंगे. So अभी तक की जो situation है, till now seeing the current situation, I will say that अभी तक schools reopen, अभी तो schools reopen नहीं हो सकती है. Now schools means seeing the situation, seeing the current situation, school cannot be reopened. Now seeing the third wave, it is very clear that schools will not reopen. अब आप किसी भी क्लास की बात करो, क्योंकि क्लास 10th और 12th की यहां पर schools reopen हो सकती है. There is very less chance of reopening of schools, but yes, it is there. But for class 1 to 8, for them there is no chance. There is no chance of reopening of schools, क्योंकि उनके लिए अभी reopen नहीं हो सकते schools, because they have to be safe, and for keeping them safe, schools should not be reopened. And this point is very clear, and this is being followed by the government. The government has instructed the schools to follow the same, and this policy is only applied. This is how schools are running, this is how schools are working. So here in this point I will say that 2021 में schools reopen नहीं हो सकता है तब तक जब तक कि कोविड के सिचुएशंस ठीक नहीं होते हैं. Schools will be closed till the COVID situation is means in control, or is very less. So that's there. A question that class 9th और 11th के एग्जामिनेशन की मोड क्या होगी? What will be the mode of examination for class 9th and 11th? So here I will say that अभी तक हमें यही लगता है, and I feel personally I will say that it will be online. Yes, it will be online, because we are seeing that जो कि अभी करंट की सिचुएशन है, seeing the current situation, seeing the situation which is going on, where it is there that schools are reopening. So for that reason I will say here that schools तो अभी reopen नहीं हो सकते हैं. Schools cannot reopen for class 9th and 11th, और अभी 10th और 12th पर मेन फोकस है. So seeing that, keeping that in mind, class 9th and 11th will not be called to school, or they will not have to give their offline mode of offline examination in the offline mode. So for them the mode will be online. Seeing the situation, it is said many schools are following. They have started their examination in online mode, and they are continuing the same. So this is there. So यही सारी बातें हैं, और जो बम्पर थिंग है, जो सरप्राइज है आप लोगों के लिए, वो ये है कि आप मुझसे क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो. यू मे कमेंट मी बिलो, और मैं उस पे वीडियो बना दूंगा. I will try to make a video on it separately, or if you want that your names should be mentioned with your question, you may type your name after your question. And if you have any doubt in examination for class 9th and 11th, any doubt in class 1 to 8 reopening of schools, any doubt in the pattern of examination for class 10th and 12th, you may feel free to write me below, and I will try to reply. I am always there for your help. So this was the thing, this was the video. Thanks for watching this. If you find this helpful, then do share it with your friends. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get all the important updates from this channel. So this was the thing, this was the video. Thank you, have a good day, and Jai Hind.